What's good, guys? So, I'm doing a trade recap of two trades that I took yesterday that I should have taken yesterday, but I did not because I was busy CAD modeling for my internship. And sometimes I do get like really engrossed in what I'm doing, so I did miss this trade. Yesterday there was news 30 minutes into the market open, and as you can see, the market reacted really well off of it. Not well, I mean, it just reacted. So, the news came out at 7:30 here, IST, and that was 30 minutes into the market open. So you can see this big white candle, which is a bearish candle for me. So yeah, the price did go up when the market opened, and boom, when the news came out, I saw this and I was like, damn, bro, I'm not taking a trade today because look at the candle. It literally covered the whole price that it climbed when the market opened. But actually I deleted that. This was the pre-market high, which I marked out, and this was the pre-market low for QQQ. So for my what do you say, thinking for entering this trade was after the news, the price should have magneted gone towards the pre-market low, but it started going up again because you see this wick right here. It created a good bit, like a long, huge wick. So that means that their buyers are in control of the market. So with this candle, I actually thought about this candle. If it ended up here, like above the pre-market high, I would have directly taken a trade off of it. But since it closed below, I thought that I might not be trading today. But then again, I saw this blue candle right here, and it closed above the pre-market high. Pre-market high, yeah. So based off of this, and it's a 15-minute candle closure above the pre-market high. What does that mean? That means buyers are in control. We are going bullish. We are going long. So I did mark out the day before yesterday's high, and we have our all-time highs. Our all-time highs are all the way up here. My bad. But yeah, so I entered off of this 15-minute candle, then I dropped down to the 5-minute to get a better entry point, and look at this beautiful reaction. Not this, yeah. So you see this pre-market high, a candle closure after the news, 5-minute candle closure above the pre-market high with a huge body, and then it retested this pre-market high. It went down, but it wicked a wick like this. Yeah, it wicked it and gave me another blue candle. So what did I do? I should have gone long. I did not enter the trade, but of course I'm showing this because if I had already like placed a stop order right here, I would have entered the trade. But yeah, bro, like look at this trade. It bang, bro, like one is to two, 1:3 risk to reward. I should have entered the trade, but again, prices never came back down here or anything off of which I could take a trade. So I'm just fantasizing about taking this trade, but I'm gonna what do you say, do a recap on this. And when the prices were actually on this candle is when I realized that, oh my god, I missed the trade. Because if I were to enter here and putting my stop all the way down here, targeting, okay, I'm just gonna, no, dude, dude, So considering I entered off of this candle right here, my stop would be all the way down here, and my target TP would have been here. It's not even a 1-to-1 risk to reward. So I said, it's alright. I'm just gonna take this trade in my head. So I entered the trade right here. My first target TP hit with this candle. Boom, within like 15 minutes the first target price was hit. Then I'm risking like 1% of my account. 1%, 1%, 1%. Yeah, 1% of my account. So I would have taken 17 QQQ. Again, this is a paper trade. I do not have that much money. It's a paper trade. My account has, I'm not saying, should I? Alright. This much is my account balance right now. Don't look at that. It doesn't make sense. Because I'm restarting. I should have restarted with a new account, but yeah. So, give me a second. So, we are back. Anyways, where was I? Oh yeah, okay. So yeah, that was my first target this yesterday, like day before yesterday's high. If I had 17, I would have sold off like, let's say 10, because I bought here, sold here. I don't know how much profit that would have been, because again, I did not take this trade, but I marked it out yesterday. If only I had this to like show the time at which I placed the drawing, would have been much easier. But yeah, so this was my the second target TP was day to day before yesterday's high. You cannot see that because on the 1 hour it's much, yeah, there you go. See, so this was day before yesterday's high. This was day on Monday's high, which was created right here. So this was my TP2, and this should have been my TP3. I should have taken like more, rode it all the way here because I did not take it all the way up, rode it all the way up here because um first thing is there was a US government shutdown. So considering that, I did not think that the prices will push to the all-time highs, but for some reason they are way past all-time highs right now. Yo, should have been taking just this trade. Okay, my man. Okay, can we do 1 minute? 1 minute. We get a break of structure at 3 minutes. Oh yes, we have a break of structure right here. Okay, I might take a trade on QQQ now. Considering prices here. Okay. Yeah. Give me a retracement, dog. So yeah, I did not took this like all the way up here. It would have been 1 to 1 minus 2 4.26 trade risk to reward. But yeah, like I told you, I did not think the prices will push to the all-time highs. Much rather push past it. But yeah, that was my thinking for not entering, to trying to get into a trade of this one. Yeah, for QQQ. There was another trade that I was looking to get into. That was a SPY trade. SPY is also giving a good reaction off of this. I might consider taking a trade right now, so I have to finish this video quick so that I do not miss a trade again. Anyways, so yesterday We again, it's kind of similar like how SPY and QQQ work. It's just a little bit of difference. Again, the same. My thinking was that news came out. First of all, when the market opened, it went above the pre-market high, then it came back down and the news came, but then again it closed above the pre-market high. And based off only 15-minute candles, um, I took this trade. I entered here. I did not enter, but hypothetically I entered here. My first TP day before yesterday's high. That's it. That's the only trade that the TP that I was looking for. There might have been other TPs that did hit, yeah, the all-time highs, but again, my thinking was it would not hit the all-time highs considering the US government shutdown, but it did, and yeah, it was also a good trade, 1 is to 1.22 risk to reward. So yeah, and then stop loss way down here. I did not enter into the 5 minute, and I could have kept my stop loss right around here because see this big blue candle with a huge body. So I could have kept my stop loss here, but I had my stop loss here below this order block. Yeah. So yeah, that's the trade recap for yesterday for the trades that I didn't take, but hypothetically I should have taken. I should have. Hypothetically I took. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna be trading right now because I see a really good reaction off of this gap right here that was made, targeting these highs again. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.